What's up, guys? Sorry. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hanging with the Boys. You can see we're on our handy work truck, I guess you could call it. This is going to be one of the main projects we're about to start doing, and you're about to see us sand down part of the underneath of the bed because Will already made it pretty on the one side, but
just the K10 project. I'm going to show you a quick walk around of what little we've done to it and then where it's planning on going. Hopefully we get the bed back together fully. You can see a fender there, part of the bed. They're kind of scattered everywhere. That's why the shop's a mess. So we can get this new drag project in here for the summer. But other than that, show you the walk around. All right, this is the interior. No, this is not for lightweight. This actually has to be a floor here. A lot of it was rusty. We had to cut this out, put that piece in. It's eluding me. We had to put a new rocker panel in and then replace that whole panel right there on this side too. We got new floors to weld in. We cut out the trans tunnel because this was a two-wheel drive truck and we're putting it on a four-wheel drive chassis. That's the tunnel that's going in. And majorly we just gotta get the floor back in and we gotta do some firewall welding right there. Get that figured out, but other than that, that's the only real major stuff that we're lacking in here right now. And then we'll get this cab over there. Today we're just gonna wire wheel the bottom of this and then paint it with some of this rust encapsulator to make sure it doesn't rust anymore. You can just use a paintbrush, that's what we use. But other than that, that's what we're gonna be doing today, and cut to the time lapse. go as far as it can.
Hey, please, show that. Alright guys, so plan did not work out the way we wanted it to. We were trying to move the back end to put it right there.
Yeah, we dropped it for a minute.
And it came off the jack and fell. So welcome back guys. So we're done with that video of us cleaning the bed and painting it and sanding it down, painting it, and getting the fenders done and everything. So we also had a little mishap dropping Will's truck off the jack, and
Very sad.
yeah, scared us a little bit. We thought we messed everything up. But now we got something really crazy for y'all, and y'all ain't gonna be able to see it until the next video, but we will give you a little bit of a spoiler.
It is a summer drag project that we're going to be working on. It's already in the shop. Get the hood open, ready to be worked on.
If y'all like this video, please like, subscribe.
And stay tuned for more epic stuff.